Push, push. You can do whatever you want. Just don't hit that trigger. It keeps them like. Yeah. There you go. That's how we fly it.
It's like an Xbox.
It's like an Xbox. It is exactly like an Xbox. And look at this. These Boeing guys don't have this. You got our own tray table. Heck yeah. These Frenchies know how to build an airplane.
Cool.
They did a good job of this thing.
Not bad.
Pretty neat, huh?
Yeah.
We got this right here. We can look at all our system. Here's our engines.
Cool.
This is the bleed air system. The pressurization system. The electrical system. All the different buses and batteries and APU. You see the APU generator and the green line?
That's
The APU's
cool.
powering the airplane right now. Here's our hydraulic system. All the hydraulics are off. There's
Cool.
how much hydraulic fluid we got in each tank. That's how much fuel we got. Got 2,800 pounds in this side, 32 on that side, nothing in the middle.
Cool.
And then the APU, which is running right now, auxiliary power unit, it's supplying power. It's running at 99% RPM, and the exhaust gas temperature is 465 degrees.
Ooh, 460 degrees.
That's pretty warm.
That's so cool.
Yeah, this is the temperature of the cabin. This is the conditioned air page. So it's 72 in here, 68 back there, and 68 back there.
That's so cool.
Here's the status of all our doors. See, they open the cargo doors.
Ooh.
When the cabin doors open, then it shows us which doors are open.
Cool.
This shows me my brake. This is the wheels. My brake temperatures.
Oh, man. That's so cool.
Isn't that neat? It tells you all sorts of stuff.
Hey.
It tells us our flight controls, where everything is. Like when you move this, of course the hydraulics are off, so I won't do it now.
Cool.
But yeah, pretty neat, huh?
Yeah. What's it for?
That's our map.
Oh, this right there.
You know, like you got a GPS in your car. That's the page that gives us that's our map page.
Cool.
Yeah. Of course, it's not on it because the flight plan's gone. But our whole route was on here at one time. We were just following that route.
Cool.
Pretty neat, huh?
Everything cool. What's it for? Oh,
That's how we pull the landing gear up.
oh.
Yeah, so don't pull that handle.
That's it cool. Up and down.
Yeah. So when we take off, we'll pull it up, the gear will come up. When we're coming to land, we'll pull that lever down, and the gear will come down.
That's so cool.
Isn't that neat?
Yeah.
I still look at this plane and have the same reaction you do every day.
That's a good. How many years you're driving?
I've been flying this airplane for about 10 years.
Oh, wow.
I've been flying for about 20 years.
Oh, wow.
A little over 20 years.
Wow. How long to fly?
How long what?
How long to fly?
I got a job out of college and went to flight school and became a flight instructor. Taught people how to fly and got enough time to,
That's so cool.
to go to a regional.
Yeah, just like my sister sometimes.
There you go.
Yeah, that's so cool.
You guys live? Do you live here?
I even live here. I live in Houston.
You live in Houston?
Yeah, I live in Houston from Texas.
You guys down here for a particular reason?
We are going to vacation.
You going to Disney World?
Yeah, we are going
Everyone
to
does
Disney
it.
World.
You know
Yeah.
the identifier for this airport is MCO.
Cool.
So you notice if you tag your bags, it'll say MCO. That's Orlando's airport.
That's so cool.
So I say MCO stands for Mickey's Corporate Office. Because we bring everybody down here to Disney World.
That's so cool.
We've been other places that are down here.
Wow. Can I take the picture of my phone?
Absolutely. Go for it.
Take the